Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adalo for building booking apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Go to the Adalo website by typing in www.adalo.com. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. After entering your details, agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Adalo. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Now, return to the Adalo website and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, you will be from your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Create New App. Click on Create New App to start your project. Select a template for your booking app or choose to start from scratch. If you choose a template, click on it to review the features it offers. Customize the app's name and icon in the settings panel. Next, you will want to set up your app's database. Click on the Database tab on the left side of the screen. Here, you can add collections to store information like bookings, users, and services. For each collection, define the fields that are necessary for your app's functionality. Once your database is set, navigate back to the App Builder. Start dragging and dropping components onto your canvas to design your user interface. Add buttons for booking actions, text inputs for user information, and lists to show available. Once you've arranged your components, link them to actions in the database. To add functionality, select a component and choose Add Action in the Properties panel. Test your actions to ensure they work as expected. Next, preview your app to see how it looks on mobile devices. Click the Preview button at the top right corner of the screen. Make adjustments as needed to improve your app's flow and usability. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.